evening, I hope you're all well and welcome back to the Detailing Detective YouTube channel. Tonight we've got another review, and the product that we're reviewing is the new wheel cleaning mousse from AutoGlym. So this is a wheel cleaner that's just been released by AutoGlym. So yeah, Sean at AutoGlym sent some products over and this was one of the products, so we're going to try it out, see how it works. I've seen a few videos online from the AutoGlym guys where they basically just spray it on the wheel, leave it a few minutes and then rinse it off. So what is this product and how are we going to use it, and then I'll show you the application and how it works, and then we'll go on to the end to see whether it actually did work and whether I think it's good or not. So this is a pH neutral cleaner that expands and clings to the contours of your wheel, ensuring total coverage. So on the back it says, wheel cleaning mousse is a safe and effective cleaner that spreads a thick mousse over every surface of your wheel to ensure a complete coverage. It also expands into hard to reach areas of your wheel to give a thorough clean. When the mousse is ready to agitate, the colour transform technology will turn it red as it reacts to loosen the brake dust. The wheel cleaning mousse is a pH neutral and is safe to use on all wheel types and finishes. So just reading that, that suggests that yeah, you can use it on any wheels. So most wheel cleaners nowadays, yeah, they're sort of suitable for all wheel types because there's that many wheel finishes out there. So there's like the satin looks, the diamond cut finishes, and then just the painted ones. So yeah, they do need to accommodate for all wheel types. Also with the colour transform technology, I don't know whether this will have sort of like an iron remover in it. Maybe that's what I'm thinking by the colour transform technology. So we'll find that out as we're going along. So we'll just go on to the instructions on how to use, just reading from the back of the bottle like your average person would. So the number one, ensure your wheels are cool to touch and avoid direct sunlight, as this may result in damage. This car has been parked up overnight, so the wheels are cold. Also, there's no sunlight today, so yeah, we're all good on that one. Number two, rinse the wheels and then apply the cleaner generously from the bottom up, fully coating the wheel surface. So what I'm going to do, that just says rinse it, so I might rinse it just with the hose pipe instead of the pressure washer, because if I do it with the pressure washer, yeah, I'm not putting this to the full test, and because the pressure might sort of like take off some of that dirt. So I'll just rinse it off with a hose pipe, just so there's no pressure but the wheels are wet. So the number three, as the mousse starts to react and loosen the brake dust, it will start to turn red. When this happens, agitate it with a wheel brush or sponge, concentrating on any dirt trapped areas including the tyre wall. So just following this instruction so far, you rinse the wheel, apply the product. When the product turns red, then you get a detailing brush and agitate it, and then number four is rinse thoroughly, ensuring the product is fully removed before you start work on the next wheel. So do one wheel at a time. Like I said, rinse the wheel, apply the product, wait for it to turn red, agitate, and then rinse off. So instructions are fairly straightforward. So what we'll do, we'll move the camera closer to the wheel, and then yeah, we'll see how it works. Okay, so you've just seen the application of the wheel cleaning mousse. It does foam up really well. The colour changing, you could see the colour changing on sort of like the brake discs, but I thought sort of like the mousse was going to change colour. It did slightly, but not to the extent I thought. The cleaning power though, the wheels cleaned up really well. One thing I'm going to do in this video, so what I like to do with wheel cleaners, I know on the instructions it says to agitate, but most of the work you're probably doing with the brush anyway to get most of that dirt off. So we're going to go around the other side now, and then we're going to apply the product, leave it to dwell, wait for it to change colour, and then we're just going to rinse it off with the pressure washer and see if it comes as clean as these wheels now, or well, basically I'm just putting to the test the actual product and not the agitation of the brush. So so yeah, let's go around and do that now, and then we'll come back. I'll tell you where to get it from, and then yeah, we'll run through if it worked or not. So you've seen the video of both applications. The first video was the full application, basically just following the instructions, and the second one was putting the product to the test without agitation. So I'll come back to the camera in 5 minutes once I've washed the car, and then yeah, we'll do a full rundown of where you can get the product from and what my thoughts. So see you in 5. Okay, so now this car's finally clean. It was in desperate need of a clean. It was filthy. Probably hasn't been washed for like a good few months. So yeah, now it's looking clean. Let's get on to what I thought of this product. So this is the AutoGlym wheel cleaning mousse that we've been reviewing. Spraying it on, applying it to the wheel. You don't use that much, and it does foam up really well, and it gets in all the sort of like nooks and crannies that you don't normally get your product in anyway, because it just sort of like forms itself around it, which is quite cool to watch. You probably saw that in the videos anyway, but yeah, it is quite cool to watch how it comes out in sort of like a liquid formula, and then yeah, comes to like a mousse. The cleaning power of this product, it does clean, and yeah, I am very impressed with this product. I wasn't too sure, like I've seen the videos on social media of it, and it looks like it works well, but yeah, I really wanted to try it in real life to see how well it worked, and it does work exactly the same as you see in those videos. Not that I thought the videos are sort of like edited or anything, but yeah, it's just nice to see a product working with your own eyes in real life. So this product, like I said, it cleans really well, and when I did the test on sort of like just applying the product and not agitating it, it cleaned just as well. I'm not saying that you shouldn't agitate your wheels to get the muck off, but that shows that the product has good cleaning power, which is good. So this product, you can get it from loads of different places online. You can pick it up in Halfords. It's £13, and some might say that's quite steep, but I haven't used a lot of product, and I've done a full set of wheels, which is 4 wheels. Yeah, I don't know how much I have used, but it still feels as heavy as it did when we first got it. So I believe this would last quite a long time. So £13, it's not that bad. I guess the initial payout is, but it does work. It's a good product, and it should last you a long time because you don't use that much product on each wheel. So yeah, cheers for Sean for sending these out and all the other products. If you want to see another video of another product that we got from AutoGlym, make sure to stay on after this video, and then click the suggested video, and I'll put it there. And that is the Instant Dry Towel. So that's a drying towel from AutoGlym. But yeah, it instantly dries your car. So you can go and check out my thoughts on that one as well. Cheers for Sean again. Cheers for you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video, because yeah, every Sunday we release a new video. We'll be reviewing the rest of the AutoGlym products that we got over the next few weeks. So for now, cheers for watching again, and yeah, we'll see you next Sunday.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!